What's up, guys? Okay, so today I'm gonna be explaining the unit circle and how to memorize it. So I'm gonna break this video up into 3 different parts. The first part is gonna be my explanation of the video. The second part is gonna be how to remember it using like math, and then the third part is just gonna be how to remember it using whatever we want. Okay, so the unit circle is basically just a circle that has the different degrees, and then this is radians, and this is the exact XY coordinate. So the way that we're going to remember this is pretty simple. All we're going to do to remember the degrees is think that to get from 0 degrees to 30 degrees is 30 degrees, and then to get from 30 degrees to 45 is 15, and then from 45 to 60 is another 15 degrees, and then from 60 to 90 is another 30. And you see that if we keep continuing around the circle, it goes 30, 15, 15, 30, 15, 15, 30, 30, 15, 15, 30, 30, 15, 15, 30. And it just keeps continuing like that. So these coordinates are the radian coordinates, and to remember these, what we're going to do is we're going to think, what is 30 degrees over 180 degrees, and that's 1/6, and since we're only dealing with 180 degrees, which is half of the circumference, then we're taking away 1 pi, we're halving the 2 pi's, and so we have 1 pi, so we're going to add that to the fraction, which makes pi over 6. And if we just keep continuing around, 45 degrees over 180 degrees is pi fourths once you add the pi. And you see that it just keeps continuing all the way around the circle, even when it gets past 180 degrees, like 7 pi over 6. So remembering the different XY coordinates is going to be a little harder, but the way that I figured out how to do it is just to remember these 3 numbers, and then these ones are pretty easy right here and there. So once we have these memorized, we can just think, how do we get to these ones? So you have to go from the middle, you have to go negative, negative, and then we just follow suit on all the other ones. And once we have those down, you can just, to remember where they're at, just do the square thing that Mr.Binschus and Lucas were talking about. So yeah. Now that we have the technical way to remember it down, I think that it might be a little better just to figure out a fun way.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the main event. Let's get ready to rumble!
It goes 30, 15, 15, 30, 30, 15, 15.
Because now you take the degrees, put it over 180, add pi, there you go, now you're ready to go. Don't forget about root 2 over 2, comma root 2 over 2, put it on all 4 sides, don't forget those negatives, don't forget the positives, don't forget the other 2, they're pretty important, how about you? Now just do good on your test, give credit, drop a like, help me out, let's go.